This is yours.
Thank you so much.
Ataondoka nazo, ataenda nyumbani nazo, hizi ni zake.
Okay, asante sana.
All right, so
Thank
you can put them down there on the table next to you.
Okay.
All right, and you can say what you want to say, especially come on this side so he can talk to the youth. No, you sit there. You can come here and he can talk to the youth. Next time we should actually put 2 tables there so we can sit together.
Okay, first of all, I want to take this opportunity to very kindly and very humbly to thank Honorable Passaris for the gesture and inviting me to her office. I have been an ardent follower, and I admire her, all the things that she is doing in the leadership of Nairobi County. So I decided just to contact her because I was down. I was running a barber shop. Then it was broken into and thieves stole everything. So I was desperate, and I decided to just contact her. She is the only leader who just gave me accepted just to hear what I had, and she invited me today in her office, and she has presented me with what I asked. I asked of some shaving machines so that I can get back on my feet, so that I can be able to provide for my family. I am so grateful, and I want to take this opportunity again to apologize very seriously from the bottom of my heart, because the English word say that a hungry man is an angry man. So at some point I was very desperate, and I felt like she was not ready to help me, but I was very wrong, because I have learned that there are processes that one should follow for maybe probably to get help. And I have experienced that because I have gotten what I asked, what I requested from her. I am so grateful. Honestly, I don't have words I can say right now to thank her. And it is real, it is happening. She has promised me that she is ready to uplift some other people who are suffering just like the situation that I am in and what I'm going through. I am so grateful. I'm so grateful because I have received the machines today, and I will be able to feed my family, maybe probably from today going onwards. And I think I'm so grateful. I don't have words to express what I feel like now. Yeah.
Okay, it's Kenya, Canada.
Yes.
Okay, I didn't understand that. So, all right. So, I met Samson, and you know Samson is the story in the Bible. Samson and Delilah. Have you watched the movie?
Yes.
You watched the movie. So Samson was a strong man who became weak when they cut his hair. And now you're a barber. So, you know,
yes.
I hope this is cutting people's hair is going to give you strength,
yes.
And give them strength, yes, rather than weakness.
Okay,
so I get a lot of inquiries and through online, because Kenyans are very active on social media, but I also get inquiries when we do a civic participation, when we have events, and I get Kenyans to tell us what they want us to do, because NGAF, the National Government Affirmative Action Fund, which has money for bursaries, which has money for women economic empowerment, value addition. It also has money for projects, and we're building a safe house with the money for projects, which is called County-wide. And in projects, we can do projects that will serve the community at large. So in the last parliament, we did a project where we gave out blow dryers and stand-up hair dryers. So we catered for the women, and there were some men who also wanted blow dryers and hair dryers. So when Samson reached out to me, I think Samson, you reached out to me when? Let me see. He reached out to me in June, okay? And he said in June that, you know, he asked me to follow him. I think you said follow me. I have a request, okay? I'm very eager and very patiently waiting to hear from you. Actually, he was having a problem with his landlord, and he's a barber, kinyozi, all right? And he really wanted me to help him. So I said to him to summarize. You know, sometimes people send me such long messages, and I have 30,000 contacts. Forget the online, this is just on my phone. So when you send me a long message, I don't get the message in threes, and I want you to learn about the elevator pitch. The elevator pitch is, let's just say you're getting into an elevator and you're going 3 floors or 10 floors up, and in that period that you're in the elevator, you need to pitch what is it you want. Sell yourself, ask for your whatever it is you want. So I just said to him, summarize, give me 3 sentences. So he said, I'm requesting assistance to open my barber shop and be independent again, so I can be able to put bread and butter on my table. So I said, what do you need to set up this barber shop? And he said he needs the machines. all right? And you know, you sent me the picture,
Yes.
all right?
I sent the picture to
You
you.
sent the
Honorable
picture.
Passaris.
Yeah, you sent me the picture. So he said, I'm requesting a balding machine, and this is exactly what we bought.
Yes.
I didn't even know, because of course I'm not a barber. So I went to my team and I said, look, there's this gentleman called Samson from Kawangware,
Yes.
and he's a barber. We've done something for the women who are hairdressers. We need to do something for barbers. So what I did is, he actually sent me the picture. That's the picture that he sent me, the balding, all right? And basically,
Yes.
that's what he's going to receive today, all right? And then he also sent me the picture. He sent me the picture of the clipper, all right?
Yes.
So what did I do? I went to my team. So I want the reason I'm doing this live, and the reason I've invited Samson to my office is because he's the first beneficiary for this project, all right? Because he gave me the idea, all right? And the idea came online. So I really respect you for that, because by sharing your problem,
Yes.
right? You didn't ask me for a handout.
Yes.
You didn't say give me some money. You said give me a way to earn and have dignity and look after my family. So basically, so in July, now, okay, so I want to explain to you the processes. So he tells me what he wants. I go to my team of 22 and tell them, listen, I have an inquiry from a gentleman of Nairobi, a resident of Nairobi, who wants a shaving, what do you call it, barber shaving kits. And I said, can we consider this as one of our projects? So the entire team of 22, I don't dictate. The entire team of 22 will sit down and we will deliberate, and all of them said yes. Okay, there was not even one person who was against it.
Yes.
So when they said yes, we have a coordinator who's the AIE holder, all right, authority to incur expenditure. That's the government money. She's employed by government. She runs in my in GAF, but I'm the patron of GAF as the woman rep.